Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and there is nothing better than a delicious smoothie. Smoothies are fun to mess with because they are so versatile and can give your body all sorts of amazing nutrients. So grab your blenders, we're going to make up 4 delicious and nutritious smoothies. So let's dive in. I will be measuring the ingredients in parts for these smoothies so they fit whatever size glass you'll be using. So in the spirit of getting into shape, this first smoothie will be packed full of protein. Start off with 1 part frozen banana and 1 part cashews. Add this to your blender along with a couple spoons of peanut butter, a couple spoons of oats, and a half glass of apple juice. Blend until completely smooth and serve it up. This creamy, protein-packed smoothie has an amazing flavor combo of banana and peanut butter and is perfect after a long day of working out. Next up, we have a delicious fiber-filled smoothie that is perfect for digestion. Into a blender goes 1 part frozen blueberries, 1 part frozen raspberries, and 1 part frozen cherries, all of which are high-fiber fruits. Then add in a teaspoon of ground ginger and half a glass of cranberry juice. Blend until smooth and you have yourself a delicious berry-filled smoothie that is amazing for your digestive health. Now onto an amazingly healthy smoothie that is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. We're going to start off with 1 part frozen banana and 1 part frozen blueberry. Add that to your blender, then add a handful of fresh spinach and a half glass of apple juice. We'll blend that up and you have a delicious smoothie that is packed full of amazing nutrients that your body will love. This last smoothie is great if you need some extra energy to get you through the morning. We're going to start off with 1 part frozen banana and 1 part frozen orange. Pour in a half glass of orange juice along with the secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of basil. Now that may seem a little strange, but believe me, it is fabulous. Give that a blend and you have yourself a delicious smoothie that is incredibly refreshing and will definitely give you that extra pep to your step. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have any smoothie recipes, feel free to share them in the comments down below. I've been on a bit of a smoothie kick lately and I would love to give yours a try. If you're in the market for a new blender, we'll have a link in the description down below. We are Amazon associates, so a portion of the proceeds supports the channel. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. So let's grab your blenders and dive in. Let's dive into our blenders.
Yes!